I'm going to burp in class. Ha 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 ha.
Good morning, class. Today we are going to... Buddy Dinosaur. How dare you burp in class? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Wah!
So, Buddy Dinosaur, why are you here?
I burped during class.
Buddy Dinosaur. How dare you burp in class? You know that was incredibly rude of you to do. That's it. You are suspended for 10 million decades. Go home right now. Buddy Dinosaur. How dare you burp in class? You know you can't do that. That's it. You're grounded for 10 million years. That means no dinosaur toys, no TV, no games, and no friends. Go to your room right now.
Wah!